Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to finally unbox this third order that we had from coffee bean and tea leaf. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what's inside this box. Oops, there's an invoice in here. Let me take it out first. So this one has 4 other items in here. There's a 12-ounce hazelnuts and tea, jasmine, dragon, phoenix, pearl, 20 count tin, and mug aged matte black, 17 ounce. Another hazelnut powder retail, 22 ounce. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and give you the additional 20% coupon. So this one's the hazelnut flavored coffee, medium roast. This is the 12 ounce. And here's some of the nutrition facts. And this one's the mug. Let's see. And that's it. This one's the jasmine, dragon, phoenix, pearl, whole leaf green tea. It's 20 of this tea bags inside here. And this is what the tea bag looks like. And this is the deluxe hazelnut powder. And again, here's your nutrition facts. And below that's the ingredient. So this is the fill line right there. The powders only go up from the bottom all the way to here. That's it. And here's some of the 3 recipe: hazel latte, hazel iced coffee, ice blend drink. And this one's the 22 ounce. And right here's the manufacturer date and then expiration date. And this is sealed. Let's go ahead and open this. Well, there's some of the powder is already coming out. It's on the lid. So here's another cap, inner cap. And this is what it look like. Pretty white. Smells good. Can't wait to drink it. Let me tape it back up, just in case it spill. Gonna fold both ends, so easier to remove. So this one's the 17 ounce mug, and it is etched in there very nicely, and inside's a glossy finish. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always.